on. I'm sure this situation only reinforced the myth that science is boring and impossible to understand. That's because words matter, especially when we're talking about science. When I first got my PhD, I emailed my mom a copy of my dissertation. Minutes later, she called me. Before I could even say hello, I heard her laughing and didn't understand why. Did I send the wrong attachment? Has she just watched a silly cat video? Did she butt dial me? Finally, she sputtered, "Katie, I don't know what any of these words mean. What's an ass naphtha?" My mom was laughing so hard that she couldn't say anything else. I was so confused. I had told her what my research was about. Why wasn't she getting it? Then I opened the document and read the first line. The syntheses and catalytic properties of 6 new 1,2-acynaphthalene N-heterocyclic carbene-supported palladium-2 catalysts are presented. The acynaphthalcarbene can be prepared using either mesotyl or 1,2-diisopropyl N-aryl substituents. In that moment, I understood what my mom read, what my students heard, and what Chelsea had felt. My mom had no idea what I meant by 1,2-acynapthanol N-heterocyclic carbene-supported palladium-2 catalyst. And frankly, she didn't need to. In case you're wondering, it's a type of catalyst used in reactions needed to make pharmaceutical drugs. Chemistry is so cool, so freaking awesome. But often chemists, including me, talk about the science in a way that loses everybody without a PhD. In this book, I'm going to do the opposite. My mission is to show my mom, and all of you, why I'm passionate about chemistry, why it's amazing, why it's super exciting, and why you should love it too. I promise there will be no discussion of quarks or even a description of the scientific method. But by the time you finish listening, you'll have an understanding of basic chemistry, and you'll see that chemistry is hidden in everything, from the shampoo you use on your hair in the morning to that beautiful sunset at night. It's in the air you breathe, which is something that you literally cannot live without. It's in everything you touch and encounter every single day. And the more you know about it, the more you can appreciate the world we live in. Just look around yourself right now. Everything you see is matter. All matter is comprised of molecules, and molecules are made of atoms. The ink on this page is a molecule that has been absorbed into the fibers of the paper, and the glue in the binding is just a fancy molecule that binds to both the paper and the cover. Chemistry is everywhere and in everything. In the first 4 chapters, I'll explain what you need to know in order to understand the basics of atoms, molecules, and chemical reactions. You can think of this as Chemistry 101 or a recap of what your teacher was talking about while you were writing notes to your bestie in 10th grade. By the way, I promise that by the end of this section, you'll finally get atoms. The second part of the book is about chemistry in everyday life, from the coffee you make in the morning to the wine you drink at night. In between, we'll do all sorts of fun things: bake, clean, cook, work out, even go to the beach. Along the way, you'll learn about the chemistry at work in your cell phones, sunscreen, and in fabrics, among other stuff you use every day. I wrote this book with the hope that you'll not only get chemistry, but feel excited about it. I hope you'll discover something new and unexpected about the world around you, and that you'll want to share what you learn with your partner, your children, your friends, your colleagues at work, even strangers at happy hour. Because I strongly believe that we can make the world a better place with a love of science. Let's get started. Part 1. Not Your High School Chemistry. Chapter 1. The Little Things Matter. The atom. Chemistry is everywhere, in everything. It's in your cell phone, your body, your clothing, and your favorite cocktail. It explains the way ice melts into water and helps us predict what will happen.